Good morning. I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology, SPCGCA, Ajmer. Today we will take general characters of mollusca and outline classification of. Mollusca are soft-bodied animals. Their body is not segmented. Shell is made up of calcium carbonate. Scientist Johnston named them first. Study of mollusca is known as malacology. Shell study is known as conchology. Organ system level of organization is present in mollusca. Body is triploblastic, not segmented, bilaterally symmetrical, divided into head, mantle, foot and vistral mass. Mantle present, it is a special character of mollusca. Mantle secretes calcium carbonate shell. Foot is muscular, which helps in locomotion, tunnel making and swimming. Body cavity degenerated, pericardial cavity in the form of gonocele and rhinocele. Head is present, mouth present, sense organs, eyes and tentacles are also present. Muscular foot is used for locomotion and making tunnel. Alimentary canal well developed. Liver, pancreas are present. This is important character. Radula is also present. Circulatory system is of open type. Color of blood is blue. This is also important character of mollusca. Blood is blue because of presence of hemocyanin and copper is present in place of iron. Respiration is with the help of skin, gills and lungs. Excretion is with the help of metanephridia or kidney or organ of Bouguere's or Keber's organ. Nervous system is present. Paired ganglions are present. Commissure and connectives are also present. Sense organs, eyes are present. Balancing organs are present, which are ospiridium. They are also known as Jalekshika. Chemical nature of water they can sense. Sexes are separate. 1, 2 or 4 reproductive organs are present and glands are present with duct. This is also very important character, advanced character. Fertilization is external or internal. Cleavage is spiral. Development can be direct or indirect, means larval forms can be present or absent. Larva when present, it is Trochophore larva, Veliger larva or Glaucidium larva. They are found in aquatic or terrestrial habitat. If we classify mollusca, we classify in number of classes. Number 1, Monoplecophora. Example of Monoplecophora is Neopilina. Number 2, Amphineura. Example of Amphineura is Chiton. Number 3, Scapopoda. Example of Scapopoda is Dentalium. Number 4, Gastropoda. Example of Gastropoda is Pila. Number 5, Pelecypoda or bivalvia or lamellibranchia, and the example is oyster. Number 6, Cephalopoda. Example is Nautilus, Sepia, Loligo, octopus. These are classified on the basis of presence of food. Monoplecophora. 8 pairs of segments of plates are present. 5 pairs of gills are present. 6 pairs of kidneys are present. Connecting link between Annelida and Mollusca. Monoplacophora are connecting link between Annelida and Mollusca. Example is Neopilina. Number 2, Amphineura. Shell of 8 plates is present. Eyes are absent. Larval form is trochophore larva. Foot ventral and big. Example is Chiton. Scaphopoda. Body is tube shaped, open from both ends. Head and eyes are absent. Cone shaped foot is present. Tentacles around mouth are present. Gills are absent. Paired kidney present. Heart is vestigial. Both sexes are present in one animal. Larval form is trochophore larva, also known as tusk shell. Example is Dentalium. Next class is Gastropoda. They are present also in fresh water, and torsion of shell is a special character of Gastropoda. Head, eyes and tentacles are present. Foot is ventral, flat and foot can crawl. Ctenidia are present. Pulmonary sac present. 2 kidneys are present. Animals can be monoecious or dioecious, means both sexes can be present in one animal and different sexes can be present in 2 animals. Trochophore larva or varigel larva is present. Phyla, Patella, Cypria are the examples. Next class is Pelecypoda. 2 valves are present. That is why they are also known as bivalvia. Head, eyes, tentacles are present. Jaws, radula are absent. Foot is X-shaped. Gills thin and plated. They are filter feeders. Monoecious. Lochidium larva is present. Mytilus, pecten, pterido and union are examples. Last class is Cephalopoda. Shell is present and it is external, internal or absent. They are large. Head is also large and 8 to 10 arms arise from head. Eyes, jaws, radula and 8 to 10 arms are present. Blood vascular system is closed type. Nervous bunch or commissure is present in anterior region. Gills are present. These animals are monoecious. Development is direct. Examples are Loligo, Sepia.